everyone, let's start it with our subject science, and this is for class 7th. This is the chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. So let's recap some of the things we have read in our previous classes. So the first thing is what is nutrition, and the second question is how do plants get nutrition. So there are the two main questions which are related with our this chapter, and we just read it in our previous classes. The first question is what is nutrition. So nutrition is the process through which organisms obtain and utilize food. And the another question is how do plants get nutrition. So plants are generally the autotroph, as you all know, and they prepare their own food. Now let's think about one of the questions that what are the three basic necessities for plants to survive. We also want some of the necessary things to survive. Like such, plants also need some things, basic things to survive. So what are these things? So just think about which uh, which things are very important for plants to survive. So first thing is soil, and how the soil is the basic need. If there is no soil, then how plant growth. So for the growth purpose, plants need soil to stand, to nourish, to have growth in it. So soil is one of the important need for plant to survive. Another one is water. So water is another thing, basic necessity for plants to survive, as if we do not put water in any of the plant for 1 or 2 days, then they become pale or they just die in the absence of water. As water is the medium for them to providing all the major nutrients to them from the soil, and it is also used by them for preparing their food. So another one is air. Air is also important for plants for the survival. With the help of air, they take in various types of gases used by them for various processes occurred in them. So what are the main basic necessity of a plant to survive? These are soil, water and air. So to understand this better, we are just doing an experiment or an activity to understand it better. So just take a handful of seeds and plant them into 2 pots. Take 2 pots, fill them with soil and sow some of the seeds into both of the pots. Now water both the pots every day until you see small sapling come out of the soil. You can see small sapling in the picture. Like such, you can plant, you can water both the plants, both the pots. Now after you see such sapling, just put one plant in dark room and another in the area where plant gets sunlight. So you take 2 pots, put one pot into the sunlight and another one in the dark room. Now water both the plants as you do, and you just observe it for about 2 weeks. And now after 2 weeks you see that the pot you put in the dark room does not grow. It just remains in its previous situation, and the pot you put out of the room in sunlight may grow. So the sapling placed in sunlight has grown into nicely healthy plant, while the sapling placed in the dark is dead and decaying. Does not show any growth. So what the question is there, what does this experiment tell us? You can comment me to show your views on this experiment, or if you do such experiment, then how you observe them. You just comment me and tell me about this. So this experiment tells us that plants need sunlight for survival. As we put one in the sunlight and another one is in the dark room, in both the conditions they get water, they get soil, but they do not, one plant do not get sunlight and one plant gets sunlight. So in this way we can say sunlight is one of the basic need of the plant to grow healthier. So here we end our video. So we just discuss about various basic necessities of the plants, that is air, water and soil. Thank you.